Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and doing study work at your home. Welcome back to your online classes from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I am your subject teacher of Social Studies. So, students, we have covered some exercises of this chapter yesterday, and today the rest of exercises we will cover. Okay, students? So, once again, we will repeat the previous exercises and then we will start new. Okay. So these are the previous exercises that we have covered yesterday. So first one is write T for true and F for false. Okay, students. So first one is we need food to live. So is it true or false? You have to write T or F. Okay, students. If If the statement is true, then you have to write T, and if a statement is false, then you have to write F. Okay? So, what will we write here? We need food to live. Is it true or false? So, it's a true statement. Then we will write T here. Okay, students? Now, next one is food helps us grow. So, it is true or false? It's a true statement because food gives us energy and help us to grow. So we will write T here, and next one is to be healthy we should only drink juice. Is it true or false? Can we be healthy to only drink juice? No, we can't. So it's a false statement. So we will write F here. Okay, students? We have to write F here. Put F. The next one is paneer comes from plant. Is it true or false? So it's a false statement because paneer comes from milk and milk comes from animals. So it's a false statement. So write F here. Now next one is sugar comes from animals. It is also first false statement because sugar comes from plants. So you have to write F over here. Okay. Now next one is choose the correct answer. So first question is we should eat dash. So what we should eat? We should eat all kinds of healthy food. So you have to write all kinds of healthy food. Okay, students. Now next one is food gives us dash. What gives us? Food gives us the strength to work and play. Is that clear? Now next one is we get dash from animals. So you have to write milk over here. Okay, students? We get milk from animals. So that's all. These all are the previous exercises that we have covered yesterday, and now we will start with the word meaning. Okay, student? So today we will cover the word meaning and the rest of exercises. Okay, so let's start. First word is food. FOOD, food. What is mean of food? Food means meal. MEAL, meal. Now next word is health. HEALTH. LTH, health. What do you mean by health? Health means free from sickness. Okay, students? FREE, FROM, from SICKNESS, sickness, free from sickness. Is that clear, students? Now next one is grow. What is the spelling of grow? GROW, grow. And what is the meaning of grow? Grow means proceed. Grow means proceed. PROCCEET, proceed. Now next word is plants. What is the spelling of plants, student? PLANTS, plants. And what is the meaning of plant? Plants means small tree. Okay, students? Small tree. Now next word is stay. STAY, stay. And what is the meaning of stay? The meaning of stay is live in. LIVE, live. IN, in, live in. The next word is raw. RAW. Now tell me, students, what is the meaning of raw? Raw means uncooked. So any food that is not cooked is called raw material, raw food items. Okay, students? Raw means uncooked. UNCOOKET, uncooked. So what meaning is completed now, and come to the exercises. So now we will cover the question answer of this chapter. So let's start with the question and answering. Answer these questions. Now first question is, why do we need food? Why do we need food? So as you all know, students, food gives us energy and helps us to grow. We need food. We need food to live and grow. Okay, students? Now next question is, name any 3 foods that help us to keep healthy. Okay, you have to write those food materials name that keeps us healthy. Okay, students? Now first is fruits, vegetables, rice and chapati. Okay, students? These are the food items that makes us healthy, that keep us healthy, you can see. Now third question is, name 2 foods that we get from plants. So you have to write the two food items name that we get from plants. So you all know vegetables come from plant and rice also comes from plants. So these are the 2 food items that comes from plants. Now fourth question is, name 2 foods that we get from animals. So here you have to write the 2 food items name that we get from animals. Now the answer of this question is milk and egg. You all know milk and egg comes from animals. So students, here we completed all the exercises of this chapter. So write it down in your notebook and learn it well. Okay, students? I hope you understand. Okay? And keep in mind what all you have learned today. Okay, students? Okay, students. Bye. Take care of yourself. And thank you so much for watching these videos. Okay, students?